Hi, I'm here to teach you how to efficiently load a revolver. Now, after you've fired all the shots in the cylinder, the empty casings will be expanded and slightly stuck. So, you need to hold it in your shooting hand, cup it in your reloading hand, open the cylinder and hold it like this. So it's now in your left hand if you're a right-hander. These are going to fall out because they're still loaded. You need to push this button to eject the old. And you can see I'm holding it in my left hand, fully in control, with the middle and ring fingers in control of the cylinder, and the index and little fingers holding the gun on the outside. And you just take your bullets and load them in one at a time, rotating it with your middle and ring finger, and then as you bring the right hand back up to the grip, close it, and you're good to go. Now the real advantage to this method of unloading and reloading the gun is that if you were in a self-defense or combat situation, you want to make sure you load the cylinder, rotating it the opposite of the direction that it turns as you cock the gun, so that if you get in one bullet and two bullets and it's time to rock and roll, you close it on the empty cylinder, and it instantly, when you cock it, brings up the first loaded chamber.